guys, I hope you're doing well. Something that we stay super busy with during the wintertime, and you should as well, is removing stuff like your leaves, trash, debris, stuff like that from your yard. It's very important, especially when we get all of the moisture that we've been having, and then you get the big temperature swings, the 60s in the high for the daytime and down into the 40s at night for the low. You get this big mass 20 to 30 degree swing. Coupled with moisture, coupled with having debris on your yard, it starts to form a barrier, and what it ends up doing is it chokes the life out of your grass. It does a lot of bad things. It's a breeding ground for fungus, it's a breeding ground for insects, just a wide variety of stuff. So even though your grass isn't growing and things are kind of dead and gloomy looking, it's very important to remember to stay on top of your maintenance. Get all the trash and debris out. Don't let it sit for an extended period of time. We also recommend going ahead and physically picking it up and removing it from the yard. When you get a lot of leaves and they're wet, they don't tend to mulch up as well. So you get bigger pieces that end up creating a lot of thatch down in your grass. So at this time of the year, with all the rain, and then we just had the ice and everything else that's going on, it's actually just a better practice, a good practice standard to go ahead and rake it all up, blow it up, whatever means necessary, get it picked up, get it hauled off, get it off your yard. So you won't regret this come the springtime when everything's trying to green back up, and it'll just overall prevent a more healthier lawn. So if you got any questions, need any help, feel free to reach out. Look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.